Let's talk about words with the letters OR. Now, these letters mostly say the sound O. O. Now, it is important to note that not all words with the letters OR say the sound O. Now, let's look at some instances where the letters OR say different sounds. Now, when the letters OR come right after the letter W, it doesn't say O. In these words, they say the sound Also, when you have the letters OR at the end of a word, we mostly hear the sound So you have the letters OR saying three different sounds. O, Let's look at words where the letters OR say the three different sounds. In most cases, like we said, the letters OR say the long O sound, such as fork, storm, born, horse, short. Now let's look at where the letters OR comes right after the letter W. Here it says Here are some words: work, world, worth, worse. And when the letters OR come at the end of a word, we hear the sound which is the schwa sound, considered to be the weakest sound in English language. Some words with this sound are doctor, actor, sailor, editor. When we teach children the sounds of the letters OR, we do not mix up the different sounds that the letters OR can make. I hope you've learned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.